The NUVO Clarinéo is a fairly simple instrument and doesn't often require much in the way of repair and maintenance. However, sometimes things happen, especially since younger students tend to be using these instruments. NUVO sells a school spares kit if you are using these instruments in schools that contains the common lost or broken parts that you might need. If you are using a class set of any of these instruments, I would recommend picking up a spares kit. It will give you peace of mind. On the Clarinéo mouthpiece, there are some O-rings. If these get damaged or broken, they are very easy to replace. If they start to dry out, you can use a little bit of NUVO grease, Vaseline, or even baby oil. Rub a little bit directly on the O-rings or inside the instrument. This will help the mouthpiece easily attach to the body. The Clarinéo has pads that are 100% waterproof. They are also self-leveling, which means if I press on one side, it adjusts on the other. This allows the pad to completely seal the key every time. If you need to replace a pad on the Clarinéo, you can obtain pads from your NUVO distributor. Notice that there is a long stem in the middle. To replace a pad, first remove the keycap cover. You can use your finger or tweezers to remove it. When replacing the pad, you will pull the stem of it through the center of the key. You will notice there is an opening in the key. For this part, it can be helpful to use tweezers. Make sure it is pulled up all the way and the key is flush on the back. Then you can use some scissors and snip just below the surface of the key. Then reattach the keycap cover. Pressing firmly downward, you will notice the keycap is now flush with the rest of the key. The thumb rest on the Clarinéo can be adjusted, but I will warn you that it is a bit difficult. If you want to adjust it, pull the thumb rest towards you and slide it up and down. There are notches on the body of the instrument that will help it stay securely in place. Once you set it, you can keep it there and it will not move. The keys on the Clarinéo can get broken if it is hit with a hard force. If this happens, the key assemblies can be easily replaced. If this is something you want to try yourself, there is a link in the video description that shows how to disassemble and reassemble each key set. The spare parts can be obtained from a NUVO distributor. Or, if you prefer to send your instrument in for repairs, contact your NUVO distributor and we would be happy to help.